Okay, let's get stock specific then. And Kunal, find out what exactly your strategy is for the day. You've got a buy and you're tilting towards the financials.
Yeah, tilting towards financials, and so specifically one of the stocks which I would repeat from yesterday, Manappuram Finance, had given as a buy. The stock did pretty well for itself, closed at the high point of the day at 154.55 mark. I think if I'm not wrong, the stock is almost out of the F&O ban as well, so that should probably propel the move further for Manappuram Finance going forward. So maintain the upside expectations for Manappuram Finance, raising the targets marginally higher to 160. Traders could look at a fresh buy, stop us at 150. And the second would be a buy on J&K Bank. We discussed this in the chart busters yesterday. The stock showed absolutely strong momentum, closing at the high point of the day at 87 plus mark. So expecting this strong momentum to continue, 92 as a target, stop us at 84.
Before we go to Nooresh, I have a quick review. I want to discuss one point, Kunal. Yesterday we saw 11 stocks coming in F&O ban, which is the highest number we've seen in many series.
Yes.
Is that also an indicator kind of that the trading janta is very active right now and the market is actually turning on the other side?
But the problem is, Ajay, that most of the activity which is happening into the stocks are the ones which are in F&O ban. So if you want to, for example, go long on Manappuram, you can't go long on the F&O.
So you have to buy in delivery.
You have to buy in delivery.
Yeah. Or a Z the day after the merger.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even India Bull Housing.
Yeah.
All the stocks which are in high activity, they are the ones which are in F&O ban.
Interesting. Yeah. Nooresh, what are your trading ideas looking like? And do you have any short idea as well?
So not looking at shorts, but I'd like to add on the derivative part. The problem is not the speculative positioning in India. The fact is the arbitrage funds now today at 95,000 crores. And in a lot of cases, 20 to 40% of the futures OI is arbitrage funds. So that takes away a lot of market-wide position limits. And wherever there is volatility, that is where the yields are. And that is why we are seeing the list increasing. So a little bit of a speculative activity via options and stocks go into ban. And we have a very tight market-wide position limits on derivatives in India. So that's the case. So it becomes a double whammy. Arbitrage funds have been seeing inflows, and speculative activity is happening more on the smaller market cap side in F&O. So that's the case. In terms of stock picks, I would be looking at first a buy on Mahindra and Mahindra. The stock has continued its pole position in the auto pack. The stock has recovered back sharply, very close to new all-time highs. We've seen Escorts Kubota make a new all-time high. So the trend is very clear for the sector. So out here could see a dash towards 1700 plus levels, stop loss at 1530. Second is a buy on Oil India, which has made a clean breakout and has continued over the last two sessions. It's a multi-year breakout here, stop loss at 275, target price of 350.